Hello, this is Dave from Dad's Appliance Repair and More here in upstate New York. The phone number is 518-866-3767. We do video chat repairs. Just give us a call. We'll set you up. So today I'm just doing a repair on this GE air conditioner, the one that hangs out part of the window and then comes in here. And the customer's complaint is that he's getting air coat if it's not draining the water. So what happens here is you have a pump, and I'll show you right over there. That's the pump that's inside this machine, and what it does, it pumps the water from the evaporator, which is here, and it translates the water over to the back side of this. It's called the condenser. So this is your condenser. And what it does, it puts water into this pan here, and the fan motor actually splashes the water onto the condenser, which cools it down. And years ago there used to be a hole in the bottom of the machine to let the water out, but now engineering came up with this idea that it splashes the water up, and cools the condenser, which is all good and said if it works. So what I've been noticing on these is basically you have this cap right here, and this cap is to drain the condensate water from the evaporator at the end of the season or whatever. So here's what you need to do to fix this problem. Okay, so there's this filter in here, which I can't show you now because I cleaned it. But as you can see, there's a lot of water there. So what you do is you get a bucket here, obvious. And basically you just pull this out. This needs to be cleaned periodically, okay? So what happens is you get flakage from the condensate water. It gets like a flaky crust type thing. So you got to clean this out periodically. And what I do is, here's how I do it. Unfortunately, you're going to have to take this machine apart. Right now, it's not apart. I just put it back together. But I'm going to show you the easiest way to do this, okay? So you got these screws right here. And also here, I didn't put these ones in yet. Okay, so there's 3 here. One on this side and one on the other. This thing comes off, okay? And right here, there's a hose that comes into this chamber, which you cannot get out if you it's a big problem here how they design this. There's a cap that you can loosen up, but you can't take it off because it's part of the mold of the tray. So here's the quick fix for this. Right here I have some solution in here. It's Coil Bright, and what you need to do, very easy, is I did. Sorry about that. Oh, no, I had it right here. So I have this, this is a battery bulb acid. Years ago, they used to put acid in batteries. You still can, and I sealed this thing up here with this red cement that you can purchase, 3M red cement. What you do is you take this apart, you put this in your solution, and right on the top of the fitting there's going to be a hose. You take that off and you sort of give it like a sponge with this out, okay? And if you don't, you need to take this out when you do this, because if you don't, it won't work, okay? And you can clean this whole bottom tray, because this is where the water goes in, and basically it does a real good job. You can clean it back, clean it all up, put the filter in. This is very important, though, to clean. You might have to clean this every month or every 2 weeks, or whatever how filthy the water is. And if you don't do that, you're going to get a code. Anyways, long story short, that's the fix for this. It's not a bad unit. I mean, everybody's giving it a bad rap, but I don't think it's too bad. As long as you clean this out, I don't think you'll have a problem. Any questions, give my company a call. It's Dad's Appliance Repair and More at 518-866-3767. Thank you for watching my video and have a great day.